Hey guys, I'm Paige from Wander Tears, and today we are going to be giving you a tour on our latest camper build. So this is our Vaga model, which is our most popular camper, and this one is actually being picked up today by a customer, so we wanted to show you around. Let's get started. So let's start with the trailer frame. It is a steel frame, 5x8, made of 2x2-inch square tubing. We have our 2-inch coupler. All of our trailers come with a tongue jack with a wheel, so you can move it around easily. And this has our 7-prong connector with trailer brakes. On our teardrops, we put diamond plate on the front curve to protect them from road debris. So this camper has entrances on both the driver and passenger side, which is great if you have more than one person so you don't have to crawl over each other. We also on the exterior have our porch light, and we have some yellow lenses that can go in here, which are good if you're in a buggy area. One upgrade they got is the roof rack. And then we also have the structural fenders. So these you can stand on in order to get up to the roof racks and grab whatever you need down. And they are covered in Raptor liner. Okay, let's go inside. So let's start with the headboard. We have a power supply back here, which just turns on the power to here. And again, we have 12-volt plug and USB ports. It also has a voltometer, so you can see the voltage of the battery. So this headboard also has extra storage. We like to keep ours empty and then kind of use it as a catch-all. We do have our fire extinguisher in there, and then usually jackets and things get thrown in there. And then the top of it is perfect for waters, anything you need to put on a flat surface can go right there. We also have 2 reading lights. And then the max fan controller here. So this one is a 10-speed and it comes with a remote. And yeah, it's a vent fan. Here we have another upgrade. This is our stargazer window, which is for gazing at stars. And lastly, we have the cabinets. So when you have a compact camper like this, the storage space is really important. These open with a gas strut, and then they have a removable shelf. So you could leave the shelf in and pack in baskets, which is what I like to do, or you can take it out and fit a small duffel bag. So we have an open area for some storage, and then a center cabinet that opens down. In our camper, we typically have our clothing in the side cabinets, and then in the center one, we have things like our first aid kit, electronics, things that we're gonna sit up and be able to grab in our cabin. All right, so now we are in the galley. This is one of my favorite areas of the teardrop because we tent camp for a long time and just getting all your kitchen stuff together is a hassle. So everything is in one place. In this galley, we have our cooler slide. This space fits a 45-liter Yeti or 35-liter Dometic and all branded coolers of similar size. Right here we have our slide out for our drinking water jug. Here we have a drawer. You can put whatever you want in it. We have silverware and plates and whatnot in ours. And then in this camper, we have all of the electrical back here. Traditionally, we put all the electronics in a tongue box, on the tongue of the trailer, but this customer opted to save weight on her tongue and put all of the electronics in the back. So this is where you would turn on the power for the camper. We have a 100 amp hour lithium battery, a ZAMP solar port, and battery charger back here. Here we have our shore power plug and our solar port. So you can plug in and charge your camper from an extension cord or using a solar panel. So the countertops are made of Formica, which is really scratch resistant. And then our covers here turn into side tables, which is incredible in a small space to be able to basically double your countertop area. So one person can be back here cooking or prepping, someone can be on the side cooking. The options are unlimited. Also, this shelf is really great storage. You can put whatever you want up here. We typically have like breads and dry products up here, but every bit of storage is used when you have compact campers like this. And last, we have our outlets. So right here we have our lights, which turn on our Galley lights. And we have a 12 volt and some USB plugs. So that wraps up our quick little tour of our latest build. If you're interested in ordering a custom camper from us, we will leave the link in the description below. You can find more of our models on our website, wandertears.com, and check out our Instagram at wandertears. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. So on the front curve of our Teardrops are these recessed lights.
Yeah, recessed lights.
So the Galley has recessed lights, which is perfect. Boom, shines down on you when you're cooking.
Outlets.
Outlet.
That was good.
Was it? I feel like I need to do it again.
No, it was really good. We're done?
Do you think we need to do any
No.
of this stuff?
We're good.
Okay, cool.
We're good.
Signing off.